Welcome everybody. In this video, as I said in the last video, I'm going to show you another example of finding or how to find the derivative of a rational function. Okay, so we go ahead. Okay, so if we have a function like this, which is, let's say, z is equal to 4 minus 3x all over 3x squared plus x. Okay, so how can we find the z prime or the derivative of this one? So what we will do is we will just use the same rule that I showed you in the previous video. And if you didn't see the previous video, I would gonna put the link here somewhere above. You can follow it to see that previous video. We are going to use that rule, the quotient rule. So first we will take the numerator function and we will find its derivative. So it's going to be 4 minus 3x. We will find its derivative. That mark I put over there is just to show you that we need to find its derivative. Then we am going to multiply it with the denominator function. Okay, 3x squared plus x. And then I'm going to subtract that from the numerator function. This time is not going to change, 4 minus 3x. Then I'm going to multiply it with the derivative of the denominator function, 3x squared plus x. Okay, and then I divide everything by the denominator function, which is 3x squared plus x. 3x squared plus x, and then I have to square all of it. Okay, that is the main step to find the derivative of a rational function. We are just directly implementing the quotient rule. We haven't done anything but just following the rule. Okay, now what we will do right now is we are going to find the derivative of the functions. We need to find the derivatives. So here 4 minus 3x, the derivative is just minus 3, and I'm going to multiply it with 3x squared plus x, and then I'm going to subtract that from 4 minus 3x, multiply with the derivative of this other one, which is 6x plus 1. 6x plus 1. Okay, and then I'm going to divide all of that by the denominator squared, which is 3x squared plus x, and then I square it. Remember, the denominator we are not going to expand it, just leave it the way it is. Okay, and then now we will expand the numerator, and we'll multiply negative 3 with everything inside. That's going to be negative 3 times 3 squared, that's negative 9 squared, minus 3x. Then this is 4 because we are directly taking it from here. Okay, from there. So it should be 4. So if you expand that part, it's going to be minus 4 times 6, that is going to be minus 24, that's minus 24x. And then minus 4 times positive 1 is minus 4. And then plus 3x times 6 is that's plus 18x squared. And then plus 3 times 1, that's going to be plus 3x. Plus 3x times 1 is plus 3x. Then we're going to divide everything by the denominator squared again. 3x squared plus x. And then we're going to square everything. So eventually this would give us something. So it will give us this. The z prime is equal to, it's going to give us, that's going to give us 9x squared minus 24x, because this minus 3x will cancel with this minus 3x, minus 4. All of this divided by the denominator square, which is 3x squared plus x, and then square everything. Okay, that is how we found the derivative of this rational function. Okay, so it is easy as long as you know and remember how to use the rule. You can just directly use it to find the derivative. Okay, so this is going to be it for this video, and in the next video I will be talking about exponential functions, how we can find derivative of exponential functions. You can watch it. It's going to be the next video. What we're covering here is the basics and the most important things you should note in derivatives, and these are the most commonly asked questions to students. Okay, if you have any comments, you can write in the YouTube comment below, as well as you can also visit our Facebook page. Okay, thank you everybody. If you didn't subscribe, you can subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you for watching.